Meta is going through a direction that's gonna automate everything. And what is gonna be needed? It's creatives. And creatives is the thing that we need most right now. What is the problem? The costs. AdRoast is here to bridge this gap. With a fraction of the cost that you're gonna have by using an agency, you're gonna be able to have a lot of images and a lot of videos AI generated. How does it work? Either you're gonna put your product URL, you're gonna put an image, or you're just gonna describe what you wanna do. You're gonna select the preset that you like, or you're just gonna do it without the preset, and it's gonna generate 3 concepts for you. It's gonna roast each one of the concepts, and it's gonna give you a specific grade for each one of them. After that, you can actually choose to improve further. Same with the videos, you're gonna pick any preset that you want, and then it's gonna generate a video for you. What you're winning with AdRoast, you know, because we roast the ads before you even test them, if they have good chances to work or not, and you can improve them further. You can improve them further with AI edits or normal edits. And of course, the most important thing of all, you can use presets if you don't know how to do prompting. So, happy creating with AdRoast, and I will hope to see you inside. So, we're gonna do this series with another video, but this time we're gonna do kids clothing. Kids clothing is one of my favorite niches, not only because I'm a dad, but also because of the fact that they have very good results. It's super competitive, but the brands that I have worked with, they have very good results. One of these brands which I'm also buying stuff for my kids and stuff because I think they have amazing clothes and stuff, and they look really nice on Sophie, is Foster Collection. I love this brand. Okay, so I do buy regularly, and go check them if you have children. They have amazing clothes. Now, let's go with this one. We're gonna use the URL again. I have already created, but I will show you the way that I have done it. We go to the image, we use the store link over here. You can do it by uploading photos. I just use the store link because it's faster. We're gonna fetch the images, and we're gonna go here and we're gonna put any other information. I'm not gonna put any more information. I will just continue. And for this one, because I thought it was gonna be really cute, they have streetwear clothing over here for those. For this one, I thought that it would be cute if we use a preset. Let's go on the fashion. I thought it would be cute if we use this one. Again, when we're using the presets, don't forget that it's all about, you know, it's all about the aesthetics, the style, the colors and everything, okay? We don't expect it to have this model. It's just about streetwear shots in bright yellow flower fields, okay? So we have this one. I would like to save this one because I really like how it looks. And let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, so we're using this one, and I'm gonna show you what I have generated. So as you can see, I'm using this one with this preset. So we have this one, we have this one, which I like a lot, and we have also this one, which I also really like a lot. One of the features that I really like is that over here we can see that we have also another one, which is this style over here, okay? So I'm gonna save this image over here. And we're gonna try to see what we can do. Now on this one, obviously we can improve more with the proof and stuff. We can press improve further, and on the social proof, for example, we can say 2600 5-star reviews. Let's say plus, okay? Just to improve our score further. Don't forget that with AdRoast, what we're doing is that we are creating these 3 concepts for you, but we're also roasting them, okay? So we're telling you in which areas you can actually improve. The moment we press improve over here, I just wanted to improve the proof, not the other things. I like the way that it's actually looking. So we are gonna improve further by just doing another image, which is gonna be all about adding the reviews, and then we're gonna AI edit further to do some changes and play a little bit with our image if we want to. It did exactly as it was asked. So we're gonna get also our roasting now and see what kind of grading we're having. For anything that it is above 70, 75, I would say that you could run it. If you want, you can do more work with it and actually improve it further. For this one, we're gonna push on AI edit. And what we're gonna do is that I wanna work a little bit with some things and see if we can improve some things that we might want to. So let's say, for example, that in this one, we want to, let's try our prompt here. Let's say that I want to replace the flowers, I will just write it like this, with red tulips. I don't know what it's gonna do, but let's see. So it did this work over here. Let's say that we want to do something else now, okay? Let's go. You can always go back and forth over here with the edit that you can do. Okay, now let's say that we are running this creative over here and it's doing really well, and we just want to change the clothes, okay? Because we have also this one, okay? So we have this one, which we already did creatives, and we have this one. So instead of us trying all over again and all of that, we have already a creative which is working. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna change clothes, okay? And we're gonna take the image over here, this one, and we're gonna change clothes to this one. Let's see. You see, we have very good results over here. This is the one, this is the one. It's exactly as it should look. Very good results with the change. Now, let's go back to our thing here. Let's go on this one. Again, on this one, you can change the clothes again. You can do it again and again. But I want to try something else. So let's say that we take this one. Okay, it's actually nice. It's front. Let's do AI edit. You can always pick from here, download and all of that. By the way, when you download, you're going to get 1x1, 9x16. And you're gonna get also copies. About presets, don't forget that we're adding more than 500 every month, and we will try to go to 1000 every month. So you're gonna have a lot of options for you to use. Let me try to do something bold over here, which is coming here and taking this image and saying that, okay, so let's write this text. I want to replace the woman in the reference image with the baby without changing any clothes. Okay, let's try to see what it's gonna do. Okay, so we have a misfire over here, but it did what it was asked to do. And over here, the only thing that we have to do is just change clothes, okay? And we can add this one. Let's do this one for now. And let's go and take an image also from this one. This one, let me try to take all of it. Okay, so let's go also to this one. Let's save this one so that we can do it after. So you can see we have this one. I want to make the kid a little bit happier, so make the kid happier, enjoying life instead of being so serious. It looks like a horror movie. So let's try to make the kid happier. So enjoying life is this, which I also like, to be honest with you. But let's try to make the kid happy. Make the kid happy and not so serious. I don't know what to say about this. I think it looks funny, if you ask me. It's gonna drag attention also. I like it. I like it. I actually like it. It's funny. Okay, now let's remove the hat. Let's erase object. Remove hat. Let's say apply. Perfect, now it's done. The good part with this generation is that it's taking 10 to 15 seconds to do all of that. So let's also change clothes to the other one, because we started with the other one, so that we can have also this one, apply. So we have this one. A little trick, just because it's AI, you know, we cannot just control all the time. Obviously with prompting I can make it better, but let's say that we have something that looks like this, okay? So it's better for us to take an image which is gonna come until here, okay? Try to be smart when you're using it, okay? So if we do that and we say change clothes and, and we have this one and we take this one this time, you see? So here's doing it better. If you take the whole image, it's gonna try to do, it's not bad either, but here it's gonna look better. So you have to work a little bit smart with AI, okay? So this one, very good. Really happy with all the things and the way that the ads turned out. I think that here we have very good results. Now, you can come here, you can roast it again so that you can improve further, you can add text, you can do whatever you want. But here you're having an image that if you wanted to just do the photo shooting for that, it would cost you a lot of money. So I had so much fun with this project over here and the things that we have created. I hope that you're going to use it and you're going to have also some really good generations. Don't forget that you can watch this video over here, which is another niche and another product, so that you can get more ideas on how to use AdRoast, and I will see you on the next one.